I'm Forum-Xueyang Chen from State K Laboratory of Estuarine and Coastal Research, East China Normal University. Today, I will briefly introduce my recent study about the response of oceanic flows to regional climate variations in Eastern China Seas. What is the oceanic float? It's characterized by sharp horizontal gradients in temperature, salinity, density, or velocity. It is dynamic transition zones between distinct water masses. In the Eastern China Seas, including the Bohai Sea, Yellow Sea, and East China Sea, these flows are prominent and seasonally varying features that play crucial roles in modulating regional circulation, biogeochemical process, and marine ecosystems. Generally, there is a clear seasonal characteristic in front variability. In winter, the frontal structures are most pronounced, while in spring and summer, they weaken. Over the past 2 decades, we observed a significant intensification of flows located in shallow waters and semi-enclosed areas like the Bohai Sea Strait Float, Shannon Peninsula Float, Xihan Bay Fault, and the Quanjie Fault. And there is a slug of offshore faults like the Horatio Fault. Furthermore, through the EF analysis, we found the spectral patterns about the fault. The dominant modes also show the leading mode representing a basin-wide strengthening of photo activities, while the secondary mode highlighting an intensification of near-shore and bay floats accompanied by a slight weakening of offshore floats. And next, we found the relationships between the variations of float and climate factors. We conduct stepwise multiple linear regression between the front and the climate factors. We found the overall intensification is primarily driven by enhanced nearshore wind stress core with a secondary contribution from widespread surface cooling. In contrast, the secondary spectral pattern is mainly associated with the coastal surface cooling, like this, and reduced coastal salinity north of the Yangtze River estuary. Oh, that's all. Thanks for your attention.
Okay. Thank you.